Alright, so with the release of yesterday's video of me encountering Ditto in Pokemon Go, I'm going to be releasing a video today about how I did it. So the first thing I have to say right off the bat is I'm using the Big Knox app player, which is basically an Android emulator. And the way it works is that I can, instead of walking outside, I can use this whenever I want, wherever I want, partially because I live in the middle of nowhere, and because this is a rooted system, and I can do basically whatever I want with the files within it. So the way the app works, or the way the method works, is that I have a Python script that'll parse the game data for the nearest entity and the ID. So for example, if there's a Weedle nearby, it'll detect its ID of 13. So what I'll have to do is, so continuing my train of thought, there's a Rattata. So that's the one we're going to use, right? So what we're going to have to do is use my Python script to inject a different ID over the Rattata while the game's running. So I'm going to have to minimize the Knox app player here and find the directory, the Big Knox directory. There it is. There's my Python script. Just going to open it up, enter 143, that's Zapdos. It's injecting it, and success. Alright, nice. So we're going to close out of that, and we can go back into the Knox player if it wants to open. There we go. Alright. So the ID of Rattata has been replaced with 143, which is Zapdos' ID. And so now all that's left is to click on it. So it'll load for a while. That means it's replacing the model. And there we go. There's Zapdos in-game, CP753. Now, the one thing is I can't click on anything in the menu, because if I do, the game dies, because there's the desync between the client and the server. I'm changing the client's data, and the server's is the same. But yeah, that's pretty much it.